everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a lobster au gratin on the Memphis wood fire grill. The first thing that we want to do is to get the lobster tail ready for the grill. So this is how we're going to do it. Start by cutting 6 lobster tails in half, spray them with a little bit of duck fat, and then season them with the Big Swede Barbecue Badass Seafood Boost. Then we're going to set the Memphis wood fire grill to 550 degrees, and we're going to grill the lobster tail for about 2 minutes, meat side down. Then we're going to flip them over and grill them for another 90 seconds. Now, the lobster tails will not be fully cooked yet, and that's okay, because we're going to cook it a little bit more in the gratin. Next, we want to remove the lobster tail and let them cool. So while we're waiting now for the lobster tails to cool off a little bit, we need to do 2 things. We need to lower the temperature on the Memphis wood fire grill to 425 degrees, and we need to get started on the sauce that we're going to use for the gratin. So this is how we do it. Start by heating about a tablespoon of butter in a saute pan, and then you want to lightly fry about 1 pound of quartered mushrooms and 1 finely chopped onion. Then you want to add a tablespoon of flour and 1½ cup of heavy whipping cream. Next, you want to add ½ liter of seafood stock that has been reduced down to about 3 tablespoons. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons of brandy, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. So the sauce for the gratin is almost ready. The only thing we want to do is season, so a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, stir that around, and then let's take a, yeah, that's good. First we're going to remove the lobster meat from the shells and cube it up. And then we're going to finely chop a couple of sprigs of dill. And then you want to fold both the lobster meat and the dill into the sauce. Next, you want to place the lobster shells in a cast iron pan. Placing the shells in the cast iron before putting in the mixture does 2 things. First, it protects the mixture so it doesn't overcook, and it makes it easier to serve as well. Then we're going to fill the lobster shells with the lobster sauce. We're going to grate some Parmesan on top of all this. Then we're going to throw it in the grill for about 10 minutes until it gets a good color. And that is how you make a lobster au gratin on the Memphis wood fire grill. And I think the only thing left for me to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. So here we go. Oh, come on. This is so freaking good. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.